Yeah, boy.
Is bro okay? That actually looks like it's gonna hurt, not gonna lie.
I got this.
Bro, I swear you could never see me in this kind of situations. Like, why are you even doing this? Like, bro. Now his balls are literally gone.
Whee!
Yeah, this is the definition of high risk, no reward. Yo, like, I don't know why, but like, little things like this always hurt the most. Bro, again, top 10 things I will never do.
Helicopter.
Nah, no jokes. That guy is not recovering from that.